And we're back. So we left off with the opaque, just added white. We tinted the blue with white. Now we're going to make a shade of blue by taking some of the blue and adding just a little bit of the black. So now it's a darker shade of blue. And you could use more paint if you like. I'm going to have to get some more blue. But what I'm going to do is take a little white and just add it to that dark shade of blue. And then I get a blue gray. Adding black to anything makes it gray. Like black and white, you get gray. And then you add a color to it and you get a color that's gray. There you go. So straight paint, transparent wash, opaque white, black, and darker shade of blue, and then this is blue with black, blue with white, and blue and white with blue, black, and white. And you get a gray blue. There you go. So now I'm going to try and make a gradient, which is a value scale. So I'm going to make a value scale. Value scale. Value going from dark to light. And you get all the different values in between. So I'm going to go to my blue again, and I'm going to make my dark blue, and kind of bring it out a bit. I'm probably going to have to make a little more. There's my dark blue, and then with my white and blue, of course I add a little black in my blue. Oh well. I'm going to take some of that blue and white, and there we go. That's a light blue. And then, so now that I've got my light blue and my dark blue, now I'm going to take the paint off my brush and just blend them together. And if I get too much white on it, I got to take that off and go back and get my dark blue there. So I'm trying to make a subtle change between the dark to the light. There you go. And I could add a little more white. There's your challenge, to get from light blue to dark blue and everything in between. There you go. There's your value scale exercise with just also your swatches of adding black, white, black and white, black, white, just water, and just blue paint. Well done. Step 1 is good. You're good to go.